How to fix the error vcruntime140.dll is missing in Fall Guys. Now to fix this error, you have to go to control panel and then right up here type in uninstall. Here, go to uninstall a program. And then search for these Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Now delete every single one of these, and I'm gonna show you how to download the new ones. You uninstall them by clicking on one of them, uninstall, yes. And from here, head on to your web browser and type in Microsoft.com. Go click on the search button and type in redistributable C++. Here, go on the latest ones and click on download. And select both of these files and click next. Now I already have these files downloaded. This is like the fourth time I'm downloading these, so just click save. And once they're downloaded, simply go to their file location and run them. I agree, install. I already have them installed, so it's not gonna work. And after you've done that, simply restart your computer like that, and you should be able to run Fall Guys. And that's how to fix the error vcruntime140.dll is missing in Fall Guys.